Okay, welcome everybody. Today we've got Return of the Jedi Luke Skywalker. Got, pretty standard black tunic. Sort of really toned down his hair. Let's see, he came originally with one of the small green lightsabers, a blaster from Jabba's palace, the one that he did the force grab on before he went to the Rancor pit. And I'm pretty sure he had a cloak too. I think he had that brown cloak that he wore on his way into the palace. Pretty good memories of that. Let's say it's not much to show on him detail-wise. Like everything is all black all the time. Of course they did put the glove on him so it's. I guess that is the majority of the movie. He had the hole in his hand where he's got shot on the sail barge. That's let's see. Luke was always, it still is my favorite. I'm one of the people. I'm not upset about how they treated him in the last trilogy, but I'm not happy with it either. I can sort of see the story they wrote. It makes sense, but it's still not. It doesn't seem to suit me. I like his appearance in The Mandalorian better than I do. Okay, he does still stand up on his own. Than I did the old crotchety Luke. But let's say not much to say on him since I don't have any of his accessories. So that's all for now. Come back Friday. I got a big one in line for that.